Sabi naman ni Matibag na, oy, ano, sinabihan mo ate, ala, ikukulong ka, pusasan ka, pakyo ni mong buhanga ka. Tawa ka ron. Hospital, PGH used to have 100 million a month. Nasaan ngayon? At ni Marcos, ang ginawa ni Marcos, because PRD opposed this kind of political system, pinadala niya sa Netherlands, putang ina siyang gago sa. Mali and Niger had a joint statement that the ICC is an instrument of neo-colonial powers on the hands of imperialism. Tanawan ninyo, ano pang bumalik dito sa Pilipinas? EDCA sites. Kung kailan yung panahon ngayon, nagkakagulo, nagmamahal yung preso doon sa Gulf area, sa Middle East. And they want to bring war here in the Philippines. Nagtatayo ng mga military bases. And there's rumors that they want to put up a military base in the Davao region. For what? Who will benefit from war? Ito kasing si Marcos, they want us divided. That's why, yung independence ng Mindanao, do not subscribe to that, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Lahat tayo Pilipino. Bago pa dumating yung mga dayuhan dito sa Pilipinas, Pilipino na tayong lahat. Ito, kaya sinabi ko yan, nagbanggit ako ng Amerikano, sasabihin na naman nila, pro-China kami, pro-China ako. Tatanungin ko lang kayo, yung Scarborough Shoal na yan, it is documented in a cabinet meeting. Andun si Trillanes, si Ochoa, they were questioned by Enrile during the time of Aquino. Noong panahon ni PRD, may annexation ba? May expansion ba na nangyari sa China? Wala. And yet they accuse us. No. It's because si PRD wanted an independent foreign policy. That's why he was taken to the ICC. Ang sinasabi ko lang, si PRD kasi binangga talaga yung mga issues ng Pilipinas that have been encumbering us from, socio-economic growth. I do not know. Maybe, probably, these oligarchs do not want the Filipinos to know. Kasi nga, pag ikaw may negosyo, you do not like competition eh. And when you give everybody a chance, an opportunity to, lift themselves out of poverty, then you get a mind of your own. Tapos magkakaroon, they will speak against you and, criticize. Ayaw nila nun. They will not profit from it. So muna, katong na presidente akong amakan, muna suko kaya na sila, galit sila kay PRD kasi siningil yung tax, pagbabayarin sila yung utang nila sa gobyerno. And for what? It's because so that money can be used for people. Tanawa ka ron. Hospital, PGH used to have 100 million a month. Nasaan ngayon? 60 billion, nakita nyo kanina. Kinuha sa PhilHealth. Minimum wage earner. Kung magkasakit ka, bibili mo ng gamot. Ano pambili mo ng bigas ngayon? Ano pang gastos mo sa eskwelahan ng anak mo? Saan mapupunta ang pobre na Pilipino if the government will not deliver the basic services that they deserve? Do you think, pag ito tuloy-tuloy pa rin, may bansa pa tayo? Do you think na we will have, our children will live in a future where they can live comfortably? Tungod sa kwarta. Putang ina ng butangan na, I hate that so much. It is the root of all evil. Kining mga congressman ba ni yes? Sige, putang ina ninyong tanan. Kamo, musod mo politika, papasok kayo ng politika, para mangwarta lang, kwarta lang. Bakit nandyan pa kayo? Bakit? You just want yourself to, like, you want everybody to see that you have a better house, a better car, you are richer than anyone else in your community? Yan lang? Para sa kinabukasan ng bayan natin? Utang ina, umalis na kayo dyan. Utang ina ni mga tauhan ng yawa, yun. Yun po si Mike Defensor. Ako man siguro ipapriso, ani. Pero mauuna yan si Harold Respicio. Ako I'm really sick and tired of politics. Noon pa naman yan, before I naging vice mayor ako. Isa pang binalik ng adik na pangulo na sabi ng kapatid niya, hindi, kailangan ko i-put into para sasabihin naman ni Matibag na, oy, sinabihan mo, adik, ikukulong ka, pusasan ka, pakyo ni mong buhanga ka. Bisaya pa, lo ni mo, choy. Tama si Mike. This is not even a silent martial law. It is martial law without declaring it formally. Ang dami nang nakukulong, may mga kaso, and for what? Because they opposed, the actions of the administration. Why? Is that so wrong? Kung ikaw, Presidente, that would be good information for you to fix your country. Because it could be right. It could be good for the country. Bakit ayaw mo ng oposisyon? Bakit ayaw mo na pagsabihan ka kung ano yung nangyayari sa lugar mo? Kasi baka kasama ka talaga sa nakaw. At ano sinabi? Hindi naman tayo magtataka. Lumabas na nga si Martin Romualdez. That was actually an admission that there are anomalies in the preparation of the budget. Ang sinabi niya lang, hindi siya ang mastermind. And who is higher than Martin Romualdez? Sino susunod? Sino paperman ng budget? Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Adik Bangag. Sabi ng kapatid niya,